When it comes to manifesting, people often get confused about whether they can manifest something or not. Well, manifesting is possible, and anyone can manifest. There are countless success stories that you can read or hear about the common people who are among us. We are manifesting every moment of our lives. Yet people seem to be confused about whether manifesting is possible or not. This confusion arises because they don't know how to persist. Many of you have heard that you have to persist in order to get what you desire. But how do they actually persist? What works? Well, worry no more. I am going to tell you all about it in this video. Just stay with me till the end. Manifestation works, and it is possible. You just have to believe that it can work for you and take an approach that really feels good to you. In a nutshell, manifesting is just about disciplining your mind. It is about aligning your thoughts and your awareness in the direction of your goals and desires. You have to feel as if you have already achieved the desire, and you have to consistently revisit the feeling that it is done and you now have it. Manifesting is not about hoping that it is going to happen. It is about claiming. There are some people who get it and change their lives, while there are others who do the opposite. They usually focus on the current circumstances that are not in their favor. They spend their precious time focusing on all the problems instead of the possibilities of their success. They often tend to think that I really want something, but it can't happen. When you think that it can't happen or that it is not possible, you stop it from happening. It is like a passage of doors. Every time you think in favor of your desire, every time you think from the state of having your desire, you are opening the doors. But the moment you say that it can't happen for me, the door in front of you gets locked, and your doubts are not the key to opening it. Instead, you have to think from the state of already having your desire. This is the only key that opens the door for you to move forward towards your desire. Now, in order to persist in this state, you have to understand one thing, and this one thing will sum it up for you. When you understand this, you will know how to persist, and it will not look as difficult as it seemed to be now. You have to really understand that the reality you are experiencing right now, the illusions you are seeing, and the circumstances you are in are just the byproducts of your own concepts. The world is a mirror, forever reflecting what you are doing within yourself. Even in the book Faith is Your Fortune, Neville Goddard said, "Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live." Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself, and they will confirm the change. This is the only thing you have to understand, that this reality is just a reflection of your self-concept. I have observed in my life that the way we respond to reality determines our circumstance, and the way we respond is based on our feelings at the present moment. And those feelings only occur because of the concepts we have held inside of us. This is the core pillar of your reality. When you start working on your self-concept instead of changing people in your reality, you start seeing results and shifts in your reality, and the affirmations you pick up start feeling natural and easy. Now, you will ask me, how can you change your self-concept? Well, I found a way that I feel is the most effective and is easy when changing the self-concept, and that is listening to sleep affirmations. Sleep affirmations are just a set of positive statements that are usually 8 hours long, and they have to be played at a low volume so your sleep won't be disturbed by them and your mind is provided with positive suggestions throughout the night. This is the best thing that you can do to reprogram your subconscious mind and change your self-concept. This is easy, you just have to plug and play it every night for some days, and your mind gets programmed to it. The only effort you have to put in is to make these affirmations. You can create them on your own or hire someone who can do them for you. I believe that when we play these affirmations every night, they change the beliefs that we hold inside of ourselves. And after all, the game of life that you all are playing is just a game of beliefs. Your actions and feelings are based on your beliefs. So, it is a game of beliefs. In the past few months, I have received many emails. Shout out to Damini Rana, who was very consistent. Lots of love to you, Damini. As I received many emails in the past few months, people were asking for coaching and stuff. As you all are aware, I am not providing any coaching yet. So, while I was away, I was trying to figure out a service that could help some people manifest their desires. I am thinking of designing it into a program that would definitely change your life. I would take some time to figure out what has to be included in this program. It would take some time. Anyway, if you apply what I said in today's video, things will start to work in your favor. This is the easiest way to persist in the state of the wish fulfilled and manifest your desire. With this, I hope it helped you all in some way or another. Subscribe to watch more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.